Hi, boys and girls. We are going to read a really cool book, or it will be read to you on Epic, called What's My Role? And Miss Alford's actually starting at the back of the book first, so we can look at the picture glossary, because there'll be some vocabulary words that we don't know, but I like to go over those with you first before you have the book read to you. All right, so these are some of the vocabulary words. So What's My Role is going to be a book about what we do in our community, what we do where we live, where we go to school, where we play. And so there's 6 vocabulary words. Now, when the book is read to you, just like with any Epic book, you can click on the word and it'll be read to you.
Chore.
Whoop, Miss Alford lost it. And we'll go back to it. But I am going to go over it with you in person. Okay, so we're back. All right, so the first word is chores. Chores are small jobs, like you make your bed, or you take out the trash, or you feed the pets. Those are little jobs called chores that children have. Do you have chores at your house? Are there small jobs you do to help out around the house? Next is community. Community is where you live. It's where people live, work, and care for each other. The name of our community is Pleasantville. We live in Pleasantville. Litter. Litter is trash or garbage. Now, trash and garbage are supposed to be put into trash cans, not on the ground. When it's put on the ground or in the street, on the sidewalk, on the ground, then it's called litter. Trash goes in trash cans or garbage cans. I love this picture. Responsible. Can you say responsible? People who are responsible are sensible and can be trusted. So if you're expected to do a chore at your house, then your family trusts you to be responsible to do that chore, to feed the pet, to walk the pet, to make your bed. Okay, you have to be responsible. They have to trust that you will do it. And then your role right here, those are expected behaviors of being responsible and caring at home and at school and in your community. We're going to do read-alouds about being caring, taking care of each other. We don't like bullies. No one wants a bully around them. So we talk about how we can care for each other and make us our best self. And then the final vocabulary word in our social studies book for this week is volunteer. And that is someone who does a job without pay. So like chores are something you do at home to help out. Take the trash out, walk the dog. A volunteer is someone who goes into the community or into the school. Sometimes we have second graders that read with preschoolers or kindergarteners. And that's called being a volunteer, to do something on your own time. Okay, without extra pay or anything, just because it's the right thing to do. So I'm super excited for you to read this book, but I wanted to go over all these vocabulary words first.